So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a haul video. I went to SM department store and I bought some stuff. So nagulat ako kasi it's all like sale. So usually pupunta lang dapat ako sa Watsons, bibili lang dapat ako nung Maybelline Baby Skin primer. Yun, basta yun. So I'm gonna show it to you. And then nagulat ako, it's like around like some lipsticks or like 50% off foundations and stuff. But hindi naman ako usually bumili ng mga makeups kasi meron pa naman ako. So yun lang. So I'm just gonna review them. But before that, na-receive ko na pala ang package from Lazada. So thank you so much Lazada for this one. Minsan okay na naman ang Lazada, in fairness naman sa kanila. May mga times lang talaga na hindi ko bet. Pero okay na. So this is the tripod. So it's like the one, definitely technically tripod talaga siya. So there. How's this? Ngayon ko pa lang siya bubuksan. So for me to double check. So this is how much. Oh, there. So kailangan pala siyang i-adjust. So there. This is discounted siya eh. Parang around ano lang siya. Around 300 pesos. Ganun lang siya. From, I don't know, 600 yata. So there's the tripod that I bought. Yun. Dineliver na lang nila sa office. I don't know how to use this, but yun. Hi! Hindi siya ganun kalaki. Yung parang sa table lang talaga siya. So usually, pwede naman itong gamitin pag, you know, dun sa may table na, then ipapatong mo na lang. But I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Lazada, for this. Yeah. Minsan okay naman sila. Okay naman ang service. Depende lang siguro sa ano ba to? Sa seller. But, you know, okay naman to so far. So, try ko siya doon sa camera ko. Later. I'm gonna try it later. So, there. Let's go now to the things or yung mga napabili ko sa there. So, napabili ko sa SM department store. Gumastos na naman ako. Ay, naku. Kailangan ko na talaga magtipid. Pero, ano naman siya, may mga sale naman. So, in the long run, mas makakatipid ka naman. Right? So, the first thing that I bought from the class is this one. I think this is very, very, ano talaga, good deal. It's the Herbal Essences Dangerously Straight Silk and Straight Conditioner. So I bought two. Or maybe you're asking bakit hindi shampoo kinuha kasi marami pa akong shampoo. And conditioner is very, very important. I'm just using shampoo like every other day. But conditioner, I use it every day. So magugulat kayo sa amount niya, guys. It's only what? 66 pesos ang isa. So, diba? Girl. Grabe. From, 50% off yata to from 120 or 125. Hindi ko alam kung magkano siya in real yung totoong price niya. But it is only 66 pesos each. Kaya, dalawa na yung binili ko. So, yay. Happy for that. Good, good, good. Next is, I have the Nivea lotion. Firming Serum. Yeah. SPF 33 amounting to 260 pesos. This one. Next is shower cup. Wala kasi mga shower cup ko. Ewan ko saan sila napunta. Pero bumili na lang ako. It's 59 pesos. Hindi to sale So regular price. Pati yung Nivea, hindi rin siya sale. So ang sale is ito. So the Collagen by Watsons mask. So mahilig rin kasi ako sa mga mask. So I'm gonna do a mask video. Ano ba? Or a collection that I have for the mask. The promo for this one is that you're gonna buy two and then there's another buy two get one. So parang tatlo siya. So I have the one in rich lotion formula and the regular one. Maganda to. In fairness, ito yung palagi kong ginagamit na mask. I'm using mask every other day. Yun, night routine ko siya para pagising mo na umaga, fresh na fresh. Diba? Ito sale siya from, ang nakalagay ito 89, but if we're gonna look sa receipt, it's only, where's that? 59 pesos. Grabe, girl. 30 pesos off. So, yun. 59 na lang siya. Okay? Next is Twin Blade Disposable Razors. It's cost 69 pesos. I have another one here. Gillette as well. Shaving. Yeah, 5+1. So, dalawang binili ko. Parang wala lang. And then this one as well. It's the Yoko Cucumber Spa Salt. May talaga ako sa ganito. This is nag-sale rin. Regular price is 76 pesos. At ano na lang siya? Where's that? 60.50. 60 pesos and 50 cents na lang siya. Yay! And lastly, definitely ito lang. Dapat ang bibiling ko, pero marami ako nabili. Hayaan nyo na po. So this is the Maybelline Baby Skin Poreless poreless. Parang ano siya, primer. I usually use this as a primer. It's 299 pesos. Pumunta din ako ng L'Oreal. They have a sale. Ganito rin siya. Feeling ko mas bongga yun. Siyempre L'Oreal. But, out of stock. So, naubusan ako. Sayang. Pero, it's okay. I'm happy with this one. So, it's like the Perfection, you know, thingy. So, yeah. Nice. Then, second bag. I bought a mirror, guys. So, gagamitin ko to tuwing I will try making some makeup tutorials. Not really makeup tutorial, but, you know, the daily makeup or the makeup that I do every day on or whatnot. Or kung mag-makeup man ako, yada yada yada. So, this is from Paganini collection. Nice, right? So, yun. Nakita nyo naman siguro ginagamit kong camera. It's my iPhone 6s Plus. So, there. I guess it's nice. Kasi may kita mo talaga yung halos buong mukha mo. It's very nice. It's only like 179 pesos and 75 cents. I'm planning to buy the mirror, yung parang yung nakitaan ko sa SNR, yung bilog, and then there's like a stand. But it's just so expensive. It's like 2,300. And then when I got to check on Lazada as well, so it's like kinda like mga around 400. So, I rather check cheap stuff first. So, there. Yep. And ito na ang catch, guys. So, di ba bumili nga ako nito nung extra white firming body serum. So, it's 260 pesos. Now, nung magbabayad na ako sa counter para dito sa mirror, I found this. It's still the same. It's Nivea extra white firming body lotion. So, yun rin. And buy one, take one. But it's much more pricey than the other one. That's 235 pesos. That's 260 pesos and this is 335 pesos siya. So, but technically, buy one, take one na, girl. So, saan yun? Nahulog siya. Ay, hindi. Ito. Ilang ano ba ito? 200 ml. Ito is 400 ml. Girl. So, diba? Kaya kinuha ko na kasi sabi ko dun sa cashier na, ate, bakit walang naka-display doon? Hindi niya rin daw alam. Hindi rin naman ako nagtanong kasi hindi ko naman alam na may buy one, take one. Usually talaga, bongga talaga sa akin ng Nivea. So, yun talagang lotion ko for the longest time. I don't know. Aside from Avon, yun yung dati kong lotion. Then, nag-switch ako sa Nivea. So, yun. So, there. Yun lang, guys. 335 as I mentioned. So, I tried to double check nga. Kung parehas. Parehas lang. So, yeah. Parehas lang siya, girl. Hindi siya... Oh! Bakit ganun? So, this one is meron siyang 30 SPF. Tama ba ako? Yeah, meron siyang 30 SPF. Ito wala, yung kabila. But that's fine. Ito kasi meron rin eh. 33 UV rays or whatever. 95% purity vitamin C to 50%. But I'm happy. Good savings. Yep. So there, that's my haul from SM Department Store and from Lazada. So, yun guys. So, yeah. Yun lang. So, if ever that I will be doing, or I'll be buying some stuff, I'll be doing a haul again. This is my second haul. Yay! I'm happy for that, guys. And, yeah, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Bye-bye.